Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 237 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. And here I have a sample that I recently got in an Ulta sample bag, but the full-size version of this primer retails for $34. And I'm so excited to try this out because it claims to hydrate and smooth the skin. It's also supposed to brighten and give skin that dewy finish. And because of that, it can be worn alone or under makeup. But this whole hangover theme to this is funny because it's supposed to make you look well rested and hydrated, like you hadn't been out partying the night before. And honestly, I was not out partying last night and I did get a lot of rest and I feel pretty hydrated, but even still I want my skin to have all of those benefits before putting on my makeup and after I've put on my makeup so that my makeup will last all night long. I can't believe I have not tried out this product yet either because it is so highly rated and such like a staple product in a lot of people's makeup collections that I may have been missing out. We're gonna find out today. This is a nice sized sample as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to my freshly cleansed skin. Oh my gosh, this has such a nice scent. I can't really tell what the scent is because it's kind of fruity, but then it's also smells like a typical lotion face product. And it's a thin texture too. Like typically with primers, they're like that thick, kind of like balmy texture, but this one is thin and just feels like I'm applying a lotion to my face. But because it is that thin texture, I probably only needed like a pea-sized amount to do my entire face, which is great because this sample is going to be able to last me for quite a while. And that means that the full-size version, even though I think that $34 is pretty pricey, I'm sure that will be able to last probably like an entire year because you don't need much of this to get that full face coverage. But I will call out that this has that 6-month expiration symbol on it, so you don't want to keep it for an entire year even though the amount of product could last that long. Okay, so this is how my skin is looking with just the primer on, and it definitely looks radiant and hydrated. If I didn't have like pores and redness and some blemishes to cover up, I would love to just wear this alone on my skin and have this beautiful texture be all that I was wearing. But since it's me and I love makeup and I do want to cover up all of that stuff, I'm going to go in with some foundation so then we can really see how this primer works under a foundation. So when I review products underneath foundation, I love to go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, and that's because this foundation just has such a natural finish on its own. So when I'm using a mattifying product or a hydrating product, a glowing product, this is the foundation I test it with because I can really see the difference. And this is also medium to full coverage, so if I just put on a thin layer, get that medium coverage, I can really see kind of what's going on with my skin based off of the product that I'm reviewing. So let's go ahead and apply this foundation. Okay, my foundation is applied, and wow, I can totally understand why this is so highly rated because I would absolutely rate this a 5-star because my skin right now just looks perfect. It looks so hydrated and I get very dry on my chin, and then I have combination skin, so I'm a little bit more greasy along my nose, my forehead, my cheeks. But especially where I'm dry on my chin, the makeup looks perfect. It went on so smoothly. There's no dry patches that my foundation is clinging to, and I really think that that's because of this Hangover primer. It just makes my skin have that perfect base for makeup to look so smooth on because my skin is hydrated, and you can really see that glow even with the foundation on. And I do have large pores along my nose and my cheeks, and the makeup looks so smooth. My skin looks poreless, and so this primer also does a great job of really smoothing out my skin's texture. And the makeup just looks so natural. It looks like skin. It doesn't look like I have makeup on. There's no cakey texture. I just think that everything looks so perfect, and I'm very picky about how my makeup looks. So I can absolutely say that I love the Hangover RX primer. Like, this is how I want my skin to look all day, every day. So now I have the perfect product to help me achieve this. So now, since I'm so happy with how my makeup is looking, I'm hoping that this is going to be able to last all day long. And today I'm actually going to be wearing this makeup probably late into the night because I'm going out with friends. So in the description down below, I'm going to write how my makeup wore. If this primer really did keep my skin looking perfect all day long, if I ended up getting too greasy, or if the makeup ended up looking cakey or cracking or anything like that, I'm going to put all of that in the comments down below so that we can get a full review wear test of the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. I am a big fan of Too Faced, and this is just another product that I can say I really love from this brand. And with that being said, I'd love to know in the comments down below what your favorite Too Faced products are, because if there's some products from them that you love that I haven't reviewed yet, I'm going to try and get my hands on those and give them a try. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.